7 amazing Windows 11 features. Windows 11 is at last here. It comes with an immense redesign and new features that will present a much faster experience. Microsoft's next generation of Windows will be rolled out shortly this year and will be accessible to users as a free upgrade. However, there are a few hardware requirements that your PC must have to run the new Windows OS. In this video, we will tell you about 6 features of Windows 11 that you should be excited about. Watch this video till the end to find the one that suits your needs, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post new videos every week. Number 1. Microsoft Teams. Windows 11 will construct Microsoft's video chat platform Teams straight into the operating system, making it simpler to access for daily use. You can join with others on Teams across Windows, Android, Mac or iOS. Teams will now show in the taskbar. Click the Teams icon to start a chat tool, letting you decide if you want to message, text, voice or video call one of your contacts. Click Meet or Chat and select who you want to contact. Or open the full version of Microsoft Teams via clicking the box at the bottom of the chat screen. Number 2. Android apps on Windows. Microsoft is getting Android apps to Windows for the first time. Initiating later this year, people will perceive Android apps in the Microsoft Store and could download them via the Amazon App Store. The company has also declared that it will add Adobe Creative Cloud, Disney+, TikTok, Zoom, and a few of its native apps like Microsoft Teams, Visual Studio, and even Notepad to Microsoft Store on Windows 11. Number 3. Significant changes for gamers. The new Windows 11 OS will fetch several significant changes for PC gamers. It sustains DirectX 12 Ultimate, which is said to present immersive graphics at high frame rates. There is also support for Auto HDR, which Microsoft says will tender a wider, more vivid range of colors for an improved visual experience. Direct storage is also there, which will bid faster load times as the game's assets will be loaded straight to the graphics card instead of through the CPU. One will also locate a built-in Xbox app in Windows 11. All the Xbox Game Pass users will be able to enter over 100 high-quality games and stream titles through Xbox Cloud Gaming. Number 4. Better multitasking experience. Windows 11 moreover brings new Snap layouts, Snap groups and desktops to present a better way to multitask. These are new features designed to assist you to organize your windows and optimize your screen real estate so you can see what you require just the way you want in an outline that's visually clean. Microsoft said in a blog post, users will also be able to produce separate desktops and customize them to their liking. For example, you can encompass a desktop for work, gaming or school. Number 5. Widgets. Windows 11 presents updated widgets that can slide over your desktop to give you news, weather, calendar, to-do list and your recent photos. You will also be able to see the widgets on full screen in case you want to see everything at once. Users can add or eliminate widgets anytime they want. We repeatedly use our phones to check the news, weather or notifications. Now you can open a likewise curated view straight from your desktop. When you open a personalized feed, it slides across your screen like a sheet of glass, so it doesn't disturb what you are doing, the company said. Number 6. Refreshing look. Windows 11 comes with a revitalizing look. After upgrading to the new Windows OS, users will observe the Start menu at the center and rounded corners on menus. You will also notice all the default icons such as Edge and File Explorer to the center. You do get the choice to change the position of these apps and shift the Start button to its original place. The updated Start menu now doesn't present any live tiles that you may have seen in Windows 10. Instead, you will observe some recommended apps at the bottom. Microsoft has inserted a dedicated search button as well so that users can explore their favorite apps and preloaded functions. The update furthermore brings redesigned sounds and alerts, and one will also see some subtle changes in gestures. You will also witness new themes and some attractive wallpaper. Number 7. Better virtual desktop support. Windows 11 will allow you to set up virtual desktops in a way that's more related to Mac OS, toggling between multiple desktops for personal, work, school, or gaming use. Hence, Windows 11 will hopefully prove to be fruitful for all Microsoft users. We believe so. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post new videos every week. That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos and subscribe to our channel.